Imagine a desktop setup that fits your style and includes a speaker the size of a coin that actually packs a punch. This HP bundle tries to be the all-in-one solution for your workspace, but is it actually worth the desk space? At first glance, the HP wireless keyboard and mouse 300 bundle looks like your standard office upgrade, but it hides some pretty quirky features that set it apart from the sea of boring black plastic. The keyboard itself is built for efficiency, featuring 10 dedicated hotkeys that give one-touch access to things like email and web searches. It feels snappy and reliable, which is exactly what you want when you are powering through a long workday. But the real conversation starter here is the Micro Glow Bluetooth speaker. It is honestly hard to believe how small this thing is. At just over an inch in diameter, it is roughly the size of a large coin and weighs next to nothing. You might expect it to sound tinny, but it actually delivers surprisingly clear stereo sound that can easily fill a small room or liven up a desk area. It even has a glow-in-the-dark aluminum shell, which is a fun touch if you're working in low light or taking it on the go. Speaking of being on the go, it doubles as a remote shutter for selfies and has a built-in mic for hands-free calls. It is rare to see a desktop bundle lean so heavily into travel-friendly features, but it works. To round things out, HP included a matching gel mousepad and wrist rest. These are not just afterthoughts. The ergonomic support really helps reduce that end-of-day wrist fatigue that many of us know all too well. The neon orange accents against the black finish give the whole setup a modern, energetic vibe that feels fresh. While the 3-hour battery life on the speaker means you will need to keep a charging cable nearby for long sessions, the sheer portability and durability of the aluminum build make it a fantastic companion for a laptop or tablet. It is a cohesive, comfortable, and surprisingly loud package that turns a boring desk into a functional workstation. If you want a setup that balances professional performance with a bit of personality, this bundle hits all the right notes.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.